This is the story of ValueCoders, a leading IT outsourcing company in India. Over the years, ValueCoders has built a strong global presence. But scaling a large IT team came with its own challenges. Managing productivity, attendance, accurate billing, and client reporting became complex. That's when ValueCoders turned to Workstatus for accurate, transparent, and scalable IT workforce management. Within weeks, the transformation was clear. But beyond numbers, the real change was in project updates, client satisfaction, and employee engagement. Here's what the ValueCoders team had to say. ValueCoders' success is just one example. Workstatus is built to help IT companies of all sizes. That's why over 1,000 businesses worldwide trust Workstatus to manage their workforce with confidence. And the best part? You can get started for as little as $4 per user per month. Ready to optimize IT team performance and deliver excellence like ValueCoders did? Start your free trial today.